The Thruxton R is the bike Triumph came up with to follow this cafe racer neo retro wave we've been surfing on for these past few years. But its engine is badly restricted by actual anti-pollution standards, but at TB Factory Custom we find out how to give it back its charm. And welcome to all gearheads around the world to TB Factory Custom. So here we have a 1200 Triumph Thruxton R from 2017. The customer came to us because he wanted to improve the aesthetics of the bike, and of course he was very disappointed with the original sound. So we decided to go with a full 2-in-1 stainless steel setup that allows us to delete the cat and of course the second silencer. All in all, that makes a 5.6 kilos weight loss. And then to continue with the improvement of the performance, we went with a BMC air filter and of course O2 sensor suppressors. The whole package brings an excellent improvement in acceleration response. And of course you will see in the next few seconds how the sound has changed massively. I didn't have the chance to film the test rides that I did before and after these upgrades were done, but I can tell you that now the engine is on fire. It's just in rage. It comes so much faster out of the bends, and there is not this delay that you can usually feel with the ride-by-wire when you are turning the gas open. It is so much more responsive. It's excellent. I am very happy with the result. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and go follow the Facebook and Instagram pages. See you next time.